In this video, I will briefly explain subsetting. Subsetting is the process of extracting portions of a dataset that are relevant to the analysis. Most data analysis projects focus only on a portion of the data rather than the entire dataset. Or sometimes the objective of the analysis is to compare two subgroups of the data. Subsetting can be performed as part of descriptive analytics that helps reveal insights in the data, such as understanding differences between female and male. In this video, we will use Organic Food Superstore's customers' data. The manager, Catherine Hill, wants to gain a better understanding of its customers who are college-educated millennials born between 1982 and 2000. She feels that sex, household size, income, total spending in 2018, total number of orders in the past 24 months, and channel through which the customers was acquired are useful for her to create a customer profile. Using Excel, we will first identify college-educated millennial customers. Then, create subsets of female and male college-educated millennial customers. We first filter the data to include only college-educated millennials. Let's select the data range. From the menu, we are going to choose Filter. And the column headings, as you see, A1 to N1, will turn into drop-down boxes. Click on the drop-down boxes in column E and uncheck Select All. Then click the box next to Yes. And then click OK. This step shows only those customers who have a college degree, yes, by hiding those who do not, no, in the dataset. Click on the drop-down box in D1, birth date, and select Data Filters and choose Between. In the Custom Autofilter dialog box, enter 1/1/1982 next to the Is After or Equal to box, or you can choose from Calendar object. And then next enter 12/31/1999 next to Is Before or Equal to box, or choose from Calendar object and then click OK. The dataset now displays college-educated millennials who were born between 1982 and 2000. And now select the entire filtered data and then copy and paste to a new worksheet. We will rename this college-educated millennials. We now exclude the variables that are not relevant to the current analysis. In this college-educated millennials worksheet, we will select Customer ID, and then in the Home tab, we choose Delete and delete sheet columns. Then we will repeat this step for race, birth date, college, zip code, spending 2017, days since loss, and satisfaction columns. So we will delete race, and then birth date, and then college, and next zip code, spending 2017, days since lost, and satisfaction. To subset the college-educated millennials data by sex, select column A. From the menu, we choose Home and Data, and then Sort. And we choose Expand the selection, and then click Sort. We will sort by sex, and then click OK. The observations are now sorted by sex. The female customer records are followed by male customer records. Now we are going to create two new worksheets and assign the worksheet names female and male. So let's create one, and this will be female, and then create another one, and this is going to be male. And we are going to copy paste the female observations in the female worksheet, copy, and then paste here. And we are going to repeat this step for the male, copy, and paste here. So therefore, we subset the data first by college-educated millennials and then female and male college-educated millennials.